This is it, the last one, the World Cup final. And I could not have scripted it any better, because Spain are the champions of the world. They beat Argentina 1-0 after extra time. They denied Lionel Messi back-to-back titles, and they did it in the most Spanish way imaginable. Total control and a moment of magic at the very end. Let's soak it all in. Let's go. So how did the final unfold? Well, for 105 minutes, it was agony for Spain. They battered Argentina. They had 20 shots to Argentina's 3. They camped in Argentina's half. They did everything but score. And the reason? Emiliano Martínez, Argentina's goalkeeper, was sensational, save after save, keeping his team alive when they barely crossed the halfway line. But then the game turned. Right at the end of normal time, Enzo Fernández picked up a second yellow card and was sent off, leaving Argentina to play the entire extra time with just 10 men. And Spain finally made it count. In the 106th minute, just after the extra time break, substitute Ferran Torres pounced from 8 yards out and smashed it home. 1-0. The dam had finally broken, and this time Martinez couldn't save them. And take a second to appreciate what this Spain team just did. This is their second World Cup title. Their first was back in 2010. But here's the stat that blew me away. Across the entire tournament, 7 games, Spain conceded just 1 goal. 1. They are statistically the most dominant defensive team to ever win a World Cup. And for Argentina and for Lionel Messi, it's heartbreak. His dream of back-to-back World Cups ends right at the final hurdle. But what a champion he's been. No shame in losing to a team this good. So there it is. Spain, world champions. And okay, let me have my moment. Because if you saw my last couple of videos, you know I called this one. I said it. I love Argentina. I think Messi and that whole team are special. But I said I was pulling for Spain, and Spain delivered. Enhorabuena, España. Now, this is also the end of something for you and me. 51 videos ago, we started with one simple question. What is offside? We didn't know a corner from a throw-in, and we just watched the entire 2026 World Cup together, all the way to the champions. So, thank you, genuinely, for going on this ride with me. If you learned even a little bit of this beautiful game, then we did our job. The World Cup is over, Spain are on top of the world, and this channel isn't going anywhere. We've got 4 years until the next one, until the next whistle. What a tournament and what a journey. See you soon.